What's up, all my fine girls? No Pimple is with here again with in the video. So, as you guys can see, we're in the airport. Okay, and I have the lovely Quincy here. Yeah, put the cheering sounds. Yeah. Okay, so we're in the airport waiting for our flight. As you guys know, I told you in my last video that I'm going to Tulum for my birthday, and yeah, we're gonna start boarding shortly. They said 12:05. I don't know if y'all can hear me. They said 12:05.
It's gonna be like 12:20.
12:20, that's what I assumed. We're waiting for our other friend Kira to get here. She's on a connecting flight to us. And then from there, it's up. Y'all know
she got her margarita.
y'all, I'm trying to finish before we have to get on this plane. So, yeah, I guess when Kira gets here or when we get to Mexico, one of them, I'll be back. But, yeah. Who is here?
Hey, y'all.
So this...
Hey. Hey, Miss Jackson. In the building.
Let me turn it back around here. Yet again, we are waiting to board. They already started boarding some people. We're on the V group, so y'all like my nails? It kind of matches my suitcase. Y'all like. My suitcase. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay, so we had to make a pit stop to the gas station. We're at 7-Eleven to get some stuff, some mixers, well, some more stuff. Wait, what are you trying to drink?
That's what I said. She's trying to drink for a loco. She's trying to kill us.
Hey, that's good, Susan.
You guys, after a long day of traveling, from what it seems like, we are finally here. Okay, I have to give you guys a tour because this place is cute. Okay, so, right? Y'all, Quincy just saw the place. Okay, so y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the kitchen. I need to find the lights in here, y'all. The kitchen is not my favorite part of this place, but it's okay because y'all can see the other part. I can't find the lights. I guess this is it. No, this has to be lights. Oh, yes. Oh, perfect. Okay, y'all. So we have all our stuff here because we haven't moved into the bedroom yet. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Okay. And then that's the stairs where I'm going to show you guys, y'all. This is like a 3-story place. It's so cute. We have the first bathroom here. And this is cute little walk-in shower. This is the first bedroom. And this is cute. It's a little warm in here. We need to put the AC on. This is my suitcases. What's this? I don't know. But let me show you guys upstairs, y'all. This is where it gets cute. Okay. The second bedroom is my favorite. Okay, so this is this bathroom. Cute, right? But wait till y'all see the bedroom. Oh! Say you ain't a princess. And then it also has a balcony, y'all. Hey, y'all. So yeah, it's a balcony. Yet again, oh, so we can't put on the AC, it's perfect. And then let's go up to the 3rd story, or the 3rd floor. We have our little living area. Kira's vlogging. Have our little living area right here. We need to put the AC on because I'm about to pass out. No, it's just hot in here. And then look at Quincy.
Y'all, my area because the pictures finna go crazy up
the
here.
Pictures.
The pictures finna go crazy up.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, this is water.
Yeah.
Oh.
The whole part I told you about.
Oh, we have our own private little. Oh, they got a little sink out here. Okay. Okay. ¿Qué hora es? You don't know how to speak Spanish anymore?
I don't know what the fuck that means.
¿Qué hora es? What time is it?
Bitch, I don't have my phone. What is it? If they think that we finna
7:40. So I need to take a shower and start getting ready because we have reservations at Rosa Negra at 9:30.
You gotta figure out how to call a taxi.
Oh, I need to get my Wi-Fi set up because I had no.
Wi-Fi password is in that screenshot.
That's not the problem. The problem is for their Wi-Fi to pop up.
Oh, it's not coming up?
No.
Oh, that's just fucking trash.
But maybe now that we're in the apartment, it should pop up. This is what we're drinking for the weekend, y'all. On hand. Okay, guys, so I'm all ready. Makeup is cute tonight. This is the fit right here. Just a nice all matte eye, glossy lips. Of course, you guys know I love the nails, okay? So now, let me get you guys propped up. All right, so I'm about to make the drinks because we need to get to it. So we got the lemonade, we got the hen, and can y'all believe that this whole Airbnb, as nice as it is, they didn't give us no paper towels. This is about to chase my drink.
I'm nervous, y'all. This girl trying to kill me.
What's the reaction? Let's see.
Dang, let me taste it first.
Don't tell me that.
She don't never make a drink, so this is first.
We need Kier to come take hers. Kier, what do you think about my drink?
It's a little strong, but it's good.
Very good.
Y'all think it's strong?
I want it to be strong.
Real. I mean, it tastes good. It tastes real.
This, as you can tell, she's the hen drinker because
I haven't had Hennessy.
that's probably what it is.
28 days now. I love Hennessy. I want to be Hennessy. I'm brown and like that Hennessy.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what to do, that's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
How's it look like? Not a beef left on that plate.
Y'all,
Not a tortilla left on it.
be quiet. Y'all, so we back at the Airbnb. There's a 1 a.m. curfew in Tulum. I'm snacking on some hot Cheetos.
Can you go?
I'm gonna eat one of Whitney noodles to look as you know.
She gave you one, so you refuse to spare me.
I got 5. Wait, y'all, Kiera brought like pop. Let me show her what Kiera brought. Hold on.
I got pasta. We talking about eating.
Y'all,
No, I'll bring you some.
look at what Kiera brought this to a whole Mexico.
I'll let you see it individually.
I mean, all I brought was noodles. So did Quincy. Quincy brought some noodles and some chips. Kiera brought a whole meal. Y'all, she brought a whole frozen meal. Anyways, y'all, don't tell me to shut up.
What you gonna do about it?
I'm telling you not to shut up. What you mean? That's what I'm doing about it. All right, y'all. So this might just be the end of the night because
She did something that she's not supposed to do.
okay, so y'all, this might just be the end of the
Because
night.
she did something she's not supposed to do.
Quincy, I'm gonna cut you off. So how about you just don't say it?
That's why.
That's the power.
You're not even gonna get a good night because I'm gonna keep saying.
The power of editing.
Turn.
All right, y'all. Yeah, y'all look horrendous.
So lame. It's 10 o'clock.
What happened to my nail?
It's 10
What happened to the jewels? She wakes up trying to get people shot.
It's already late as fuck. It's 10 o'clock. What the hell?
What time do we go to sleep?
Only 2 o'clock. We could have been up at 8 a.m. 6 hours is all you need.
Please, I need to recuperate after all of that traveling. And anyways, y'all, this bungalow. Just looks so pretty in the morning. Oh my gosh, y'all, like I love it. Just look at this. I could just be here forever in Mexico. Ooh, look at Reed, he's just so cute. Do a little twirl for them. Do a little twirl for the YouTube, okay?
Yeah, this is so cute.
And then let's see you. See, fine girl. Okay, give me.
Okay, this is my outfit. She got all the cheeks out. The cheeks are out today, y'all. I can't really show up. I'm not gonna get you one size, but this is the outfit right here.
Okay, guys, so we are currently, this take here. Hey. So we're currently on our way to Taboo. We're super late. Our reservation was supposed to be at for 2. It's like 2:30. Mambo, that's where we went last night, you guys. We went to Mambo last night. It was so much fun. So yeah, we're lit. Okay, this whole weekend, I don't want to be sober. Like, no, at all. Okay, so we had Taboo. Oh yay! Okay, we're about to pull on Taboo. Yeah, Taboo. It's the fact that you're singing that. Sing it again. Yeah, Taboo. Oh, I know you're not. Yeah, Shusi. What the fuck is that? I'm sorry. Let me let y'all know something right now. The taxis are high as hell. If you can get you a driver, because it's right here. It's just ghetto. Like, taxis are so high. I should have brought more cash. Okay, y'all, we just got back to the Airbnb. Y'all, I got another stone gone. Y'all, when I get back to Houston, they gotta fix this shit because I literally just got it done. Why'd you turn on the lights?
I'm trying to give you that light.
Okay, but y'all, Taboo was so much fun.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Y'all, Taboo was so much fun. If y'all could only see what Quincy look like right now. I can't, yo, child. Please just stay over there. As I'm talking, this girl is undressing herself. Oh my God. This girl is full blown naked as I was talking to you guys. Anyways. Anyways, y'all, if y'all come to Tulum, Taboo was so much fun.
That shit was lit.
It was lit.
Bring your coins, but that shit was lit.
Yeah, okay, let me tell you something, okay? Just bring plenty of cash. Here's the thing, we got money. We just didn't bring enough of it in cash. So, we kind of just brought what we were planning to do, like our excursion stuff, but y'all, the money is really going to taxes and shit. So if you're coming to Tulum, bring plenty of cash, because it's just easier doing it that way than swiping your card, because when it comes to taxes, you can't really swipe your card, you know? But anyways, we're about to take a nap before we get ready to go out. Y'all know I'm not finna redo this makeup. I'm just gonna literally keep my eye portion, take the foundation off, redo it. But yeah, I'm finna lay down real quick because I'm about to get lit. Again, I'm finna get turned. Again, okay? No sleep. This is the birthday trip, okay? Do it like it's my B-day. Okay? No sleep. I need to charge my battery. Y'all, this is a late night chronicles.
Late night?
Actually, morning chronicles. Y'all, it's like 6 in the morning.
We've been up to like 4.
We asked us if we went out. No, that's because you see, you saw her, y'all just saw me pop back up right now. That's because my noodles is ready, y'all. Yeah. No, they actually did not, but it don't look cooked. My noodles is not cooked. I just gotta push it down. Anyways, y'all, so let me tell y'all what happened. So we went out to Taboo, right? That's what y'all saw last. We came back, we're like, we're gonna take a little nap, you know, take a shower, all that jazz, right? Get ready to go out for the rest of the night. That never happened. That never happened. So here we are at 6 in the morning eating. I'm eating noodles. Quincy's eating oatmeal. Kier eating pasta.
And we just taking shots.
And taking shots of Patron. This is
oatmeal and Patron.
oatmeal and Patron. This is the girls' trip right here. Memories. But we do got massages in the morning though, y'all.
Yep.
At like 11. I can't wait to get massaged. Good morning, officially, beautiful people. So we are now about to get our massages. I'm so excited. So yeah, we're out here on our little balcony. So let me tell you guys how my heart was beating. I have to sit down for this. Okay, first of all, the massage was fire. The reason why y'all ain't, well, actually I probably will see footage because Kiera was able to vlog. But y'all, as soon as I hit record to go lay down to get this massage, so I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. My entire camera fell. Like it was, like you see where this is at? In the ground? Tumbling down. Like my camera would not cut on. When I said my heart was palpating. Boom, 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 boom. I'm like, who's buying another camera? Who's paying to get the camera fixed? Not I. Y'all was gonna be seeing the rest of the vlog on an iPhone. But anyways, it's good. What I'm about to do now is I'm about to put on my swimsuit. I'm not really wearing any makeup today. I'm just gonna put on like a skin tint because I don't feel like wearing makeup. And we're gonna be on our way to our next excursion, or our first excursion, which is gonna be a boat ride. And we're gonna be drunk, okay? Listen, the turn up is about to turn back up, okay? Because we've been turned down since this morning.
Is that home?
How many shots did you take?
2.
Oh, I took 3. Kiera, how many took?
2.
Oh. Hey, Kiera.
Hey.
All right, guys. So we are headed to our excursion. We look like we live in the jungle. We low-key kind of do.
I'm actually going to record a video. This is coming out.
Right? This is cute, y'all.
Hola.
Hola. This is the cafe place they told us to meet them. We are on our boat. I still haven't even showed y'all what I look like today.
All right, y'all.
Y'all, Quincy's drinking beers this weekend.
Yeah. Thank you. Cheers. I wish I had a line.
We have a radio, Bluetooth. If you want to put your music.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Just email. Sorry.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Ready on.
You and me cater to it. I wanna let you know you that you live and I know what you do. Hope I can reassure you my life will be purpose without you. If I want it, I'm gonna ask you. You flying to you. Challenge me for the better for you. Let me cater to you. See you go. Turn my game on. I'll push you down. You should do that.
Tryna FaceTime and you know I decline. I don't call you when you be with them hoes, so don't blow me up when you stay out with mine. Hey! Call yourself not talking to me, I'm already calling my other nigga. Hey, boy, I eat like a bad bitch. Hell, I don't get you cause I know you're eating ass. You can't massage yourself, find yourself, or I'll make you hide yourself. Who the fuck come these bitches? Bitches ass, just like I gotta jump. I see how your mama felt. Finna go find my belt.
Oh my god! I don't think I can do it. I'ma push you if you don't go.
Well, we won't know because yesterday I was legit fucking drunk.
Are you still recording?
Yes, I'm recording. Y'all following? Y'all subscribing?
I'm a little scary ass. Okay,
It's been 3 minutes.
fine girls. We ain't no scary asses. I'ma jump my ass in. Not right now though.
Bitch, get in the water.
I wish your mama before I share my dinner. Went on my money. Them hoes, you gotta play a little bit. If it ain't about a bag, gotta wiggle.
Get all of us. Yes.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I hear my money, I got
Hello. I got in the water. I don't know why I'm so scared to get in the water. Like, actually, I think you know what happened? I'm finna.
Where's my phone?
Y'all, our boat ride was good. I just tore this Burger King up. We got Quiznos on the Subway. Kiera's ordering Domino's.
And we also at
And she's at Starbucks, y'all. Y'all see the Starbucks sign? Well, whatever. I don't think y'all can see it. But anyway, she's at Starbucks. Like I'm about to tell a ghost story. Once upon a time in a fall. Anyways, y'all. Now that we did 8, once we get home, I'm finna shower. We're all finna shower. And it's more turn up. Listen, this is a birthday weekend. Birthday trip. Ain't no rest. We just keep going until it's time to get on the plane.
We did that lame ass shit yesterday.
Y'all, I can't believe you really slept in last night. But tonight, I mean, we will be inside, but we will be turned.
It's going up.
If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Okay.
This Subway good to the bill. I don't like sandwiches, bro.
You can see over there eating that food. Oh my gosh.
I ain't ate a Subway sandwich in I don't know how long.
She got the chips.
I don't know what kind of chips. This not Doritos. This some different shit.
Louise, say hey. This our driver.
Shout out to Louise.
Shout out to Louise.
All the way.
Hola, 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 hola.
Hola.
Hola. From Playa de Cama. And cumpleaños febrero 10.
Yes.
Aquarius gang, period.
Gang, gang.
Aquarius gang, period.
The best sign ever. All right, I'm gonna see y'all when we get back to the apartment. Guys, we are preparing for game night. So I have Watch Your Mouth. We got Do or Drink, of course. And then I have this game right here. It's like a drinking spinner game. The shot glasses. We got some Uno. We need to kill both of these bottles. Well, actually, no, let's try to finish one because we got tomorrow. Got some mixers. Yeah, and we're on the 3rd floor that I've been dying to go to for the long. Oh, snap. I need y'all seeing my business. Anyways, so. Oh, and we got matching PJs on, so everybody got the same set of PJs on. Oh, y'all, oh my gosh, we left this door open for the balcony the entire time we were gone. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. The serial killer can be in the house right now. Yeah, I'm too paranoid for stuff like this. I really think everybody's a killer. I'm talking to my subscribers. Don't do that. What do you want? Look, we got our matching PJs on.
Love you.
Y'all look better than that.
Love you too. I love you too.
It was one thing about Kiera. She gonna have that lace tied down.
That's because my shit was coming down in the ocean. I jumped in the ocean because Whitney was being too scared. Whitney know how to swim. I don't. I had to jump in the ocean so my friend wouldn't be by herself.
Listen, it's one thing.
I had my wig sliding back and shit.
But to be swimming and drunk, you know, I had to really think about like how much.
Text you. Papi.
We're cute in our matching PJs.
Okay, so we're about to do our gift exchange right now.
The whole time. She tried to fight asleep because she want to do this so bad.
We have all these games.
We're gonna play. Come on.
Okay, how about this? Let's just hand each other the gift that's supposed to be for everybody, and then we'll open it at the same time.
Okay. Okay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, fine girl. Fine girl, no people.
Okay, so this is from Kiera, y'all.
What's it? It's a ring.
Y'all, it's a ring. I love rings.
Oh, that's cute. Can it fit?
Oh, it's a 9. It should fit on one of these fingers. Let's see which fingers it's gonna be.
Bitch, I was a giant type of stress.
That one. Okay.
You don't think you can fit this finger?
Probably with lotion. And then this is from QG.
Give me like 30 minutes. What is it?
I got a passport charm.
Because we out the country, ho.
Oh, look at that ass. Look at that ass.
What you gonna do with all that ass? All that ass inside there?
She ain't doing shit right now.
What now?
Hey, Quincy, when you came to my house, I really was gonna ask you like,
I was gonna ask if you was gonna get it, but you haven't said it. That's right.
Okay. Oh my gosh. It smells good.
You want to smell it?
It smells good.
let me smell you.
It really does. Come on, Amazon.
Game is a fail because look, you can barely spin anywhere. So this is a no.
It's all over you.
So
Bitch waited to the top. Until we got to the top about that.
So we're gonna be doing do or drink. So you gotta pull one of these cards, and depending on what you pull is what you do. So I'm gonna pull first. It says draw a black. Ooh. Okay, let's see. It says make your butt cheeks jiggle like a porn star. Finish your drink.
Oh, you ain't got no problem doing that. Come on.
That ain't no problem.
Hey y'all, baby girls, it's QG. We got some Domino's pizza in Mexico, and I'm stressed. I'm gonna see how it tastes. Pizza is my favorite food.
So please take mine. All right, come on.
It's decent. Look at y'all favorite YouTuber. If you guys brought out of me, then if I took pieces, I'm wrong. Kira slumped. Her birthday in an hour and a half. The house can't even stay up. Bye, y'all.
All right.
All right, you guys, we just got our COVID test from there. We are all negative. We can go home. It was only $30 in US dollars. What you gotta say?
I'm glad that I'm negative.
Me too.
Because, I mean, I would be really upset if I was to get stuck. It's like, I gotta get back home. Gotta get back to work. Gotta get back to school.
They did a nasal swab. It was really fast. It was like 5 minutes. And now it's gonna take 1 hour for them to email our results.
Yep.
Okay, guys.
So now we are headed to Xplor. Or, sorry, wait. We have to go to the ATM because we need more cash. But we're about to go to Xplor after that, which is like an excursion park of just different things. And then, yeah, as you guys see, y'all didn't see us for the rest of the night. Listen, girls' night. What are your thoughts on girls' night? Kira, you go first. Today's Kira's birthday, by the way. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kira.
Thank you.
What were your thoughts on girls' night?
My thoughts on girls' night is that
Kira went to sleep first.
okay, yes, I did. I was very tired, and I may or may not have been under the influence, or above the influence in this instance. But girls' night was fun. I don't even know what else to say.
Okay.
It was fun.
What were your thoughts on girls' night?
That shit was a fail. All we did was exchange
Uno.
gifts.
We played one game.
We played one game. We didn't even play Uno.
We didn't even play Uno, y'all.
All we played was do or drink.
And we didn't even have no like real crazy dares because we just hadn't drawn them cards. So we have to go out with a bang tonight, and we have to be up at like
3 a.m.
Yeah,
They gonna
'cause-
come pick us up at 4:30 a.m.
Yep. Oh my gosh, y'all, this country is so beautiful. Look at this. Hey, you guys, so we finally made it to the excursion. Let me show you guys. So pretty. So yeah, it's called Xplor with an X. I can say right here. Right there. Xplor. So pretty much, it's kind of like an amusement park, kind of, sort of. But it's an amusement park of excursions. So we're about to get checked on in and get started.
Our lockers are going to be at the blue area, and the number of the locker is
Okay, so right here.
So we came in right here. We gotta keep on all the way down. Where's the locker?
Oh, the ATVs.
That's the camera. They had this little sign that said "Smile." Oh, right there. Okay. You ready? She wants to do the ATVs, y'all, so we finna do this real quick. We finna turn up. Okay. You almost threw me out the cart. That's why you put the seatbelt on. Oh, hell no. Woo! Whitney, get me! Oh, it's about to go down the little seat. They probably hate me. Oh, it's me in the back. I know I look crazy. Woo!
All right, you guys, we stopped to get food. So one of the cool things, let me flip the camera. So one of the cool things about this park is it's a buffet style for the food and it's included. We paid like $100 something each. Right here, like like a little bit over 100. That's for all three of us, and that's like there's 6 different excursions to do here. Since we got here a little late, we only have time for like 3 of them. And then obviously the food. So if you're coming to Tulum, or if you're coming to Mexico, because it's not really in Tulum, if you're coming to Mexico, check out Xplor. Okay guys, so we're about to zip line. Y'all ready? Here, you don't like heights?
I don't, but I'm ready. I'm looking at the video.
We are ready. Y'all, that was so much fun. Woo, and that was, y'all, it was steep. Where's Quincy? There go Quincy. How'd you enjoy it, Kier?
It was fun. I was kind of nervous about the landing. I just knew
The landing was better.
I know it's Clemson, but for some reason I was just.
Clemson, how was it? All right, now we're about to do the water landing. Y'all ready? Yes. All right, guys. So after a long day of
How many hours has been? It's only been like 3 hours.
It feels like forever, you guys, but we are finally done with our excursions. Oh, shoot, you might just be right. We're finally done with our excursions. So we did.
I think those are the other color.
I'm gonna go back to where Corazon is. Okay, so we did that. It's the hammock splash, hammock splash, zip line,
rafting.
I hated the rafting, y'all. First, let me tell you about the rafting real quick. Rafting is not the one that you get in Jamaica with the little, where they're doing it for you. No, you're doing physical labor yourself to get around. Like we were literally paddling the entire time with our arms. Quincy did
River swim.
by herself. It's 7 feet deep. I don't know what it is, you guys. I know how to swim, but like I just have this weird fear of water lately. All right, I'm talking about when we get back to the resort. Or not the resort, child. I wish I was saying the resort. When we get back to the Airbnb. Bye, y'all. All right, you guys. So this is... Okay, guys. So where did I stop vlogging at? Okay, guys. I don't remember where I stopped vlogging at, but as you guys see, I'm a little more done up. So this is tonight's outfit. We're going out for Kira's birthday. Kira and I. Kira, we're gonna go to a steakhouse first for dinner. So we're trying to figure out where we want to go for tonight. Kira and I. Quincy is laying down. She has a migraine, so she won't be joining us as of right now. Well, probably not because of her migraine. So, yeah, this is our last night here in Mexico. I said Mexico. I'm thinking about Portia's family matters. But this is our last night in Mexico. And back to reality tomorrow. Back to the US. I'm kind of looking forward to going back home, actually. I'm not looking forward to going back to work. But yeah. Trying to pay attention. Oh, pay attention to who?
This is how we're ending my birthday, guys. Oh, goodness. Thank you.
Which?
Because on the menu, it said butter.
No.
It's,
No, this is the.
can I get the side of butter?
Okay.
Okay. Gracias.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. So I am back in the US. Our flight was early. When I say it was a breeze getting to the airport because of just like how early the flight was, but I dropped off Quincy because me and her rode to the airport together, and I'm currently at the nail shop because y'all remember what my nails look like at the beginning of this vlog? Y'all look at this. What is this? What is this? Y'all, I'm trying to figure out, like, every time I went to sleep, I woke up, more stones are gone, and then it breaks. I'm so pissed. Like, I've only had these nails in literally for a week, and like the stones were already falling off before I even left the US. So pretty much they finna redo this whole thing. Like, I'm literally like this I cannot believe my nails look like this. And mind you, the girl who I normally go to, like, I feel like she was rushing that day, and I feel like that's why they came out looking like this, because this never happens to me. Like, I can have my nails on for like 3-4 weeks, no issues. The stones won't fall off. Like, for my nails to literally look like this, and it's also chipping. Mind you, it was chipping prior to me leaving the US, and I came back the following day after I got the nails done to have them redo it, and it still did the same thing. So at this point, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my nails, but yeah, that's that with this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little rant, but yeah, I'm I literally just got off the plane and I'm at the nail shop and then I'm gonna go home. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.